Hello everyone! Welcome back to Budget Buying. Today, we are checking out the best heavy-duty commercial blender that can handle tough ingredients with ease. If you want smooth blends and powerful performance in your kitchen, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Let's take a closer look at the Biolomix A8800 heavy-duty commercial blender. This blender is designed for both home users and professional kitchens. It is built to handle everything from soft fruits to hard ingredients, making your blending tasks faster and easier. At the core of the Biolomix A8800 heavy-duty commercial blender is its powerful 2200-watt motor. This strong motor works with 6 hardened stainless steel blades to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, and grind nuts smoothly. It gives you a fine texture every time, which is perfect for smoothies, soups, and sauces. Another great feature is the variable speed control. You get 6 speed levels, so you can adjust the blending power depending on what you are making. This gives you better control over texture, whether you want something chunky or perfectly smooth. The built-in timer is also very useful. It offers options like 30, 60, 90, and 120 seconds, allowing the blender to stop automatically. This means you can step away and let it work without worrying about over-blending. The Biolomix A8800 heavy-duty commercial blender comes with a large 2-liter BPA-free container. It is safe for food and strong enough for heavy use. The special conical shape helps guide ingredients toward the blades, which improves blending efficiency and gives you more consistent results. Cleaning this blender is simple thanks to its self-cleaning function. Just add water and a little soap, and it cleans itself in under a minute. This saves time and keeps your routine hassle-free. Stability is another strong point. The blender has a non-slip base that keeps it steady during operation. It also includes noise-reducing rubber cushions, which help lower the sound compared to many other powerful blenders. In terms of design, the Biolomix A8800 heavy-duty commercial blender looks solid and modern. It feels durable and built to last, while still being easy to use on a daily basis. The container is lightweight enough to handle comfortably, even when full. In real life, this blender is perfect for making smoothies, crushing ice for drinks, preparing sauces, or even blending tough ingredients quickly. It saves time and delivers consistent results every day. This blender is ideal for home cooks, fitness lovers, and small business owners who need reliable performance. If you want strong blending power with easy control, this is a great option. This is a blender that truly works hard for you. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.